has arrived. An experience that will transform the way you travel. Our impeccable service remains, but now comes with a groundbreaking new design. A design appreciated by passengers of all ages. A milestone in hospitality and refinement, met with our elegant rose gold and burgundy ambience. A revolutionary business class. The ultimate in privacy, the finest in comfort. Carefully crafted upholstery. Adjustable ambient lighting depending on your mood. Maximum device compatibility. Plush seating that reclines to your exact preference. And the largest selection of entertainment in widescreen above the clouds. When you fly with us, no celebration goes unnoticed. Whatever the occasion, rest assured you're in good hands. Whether conducting business or relaxing with loved ones, we bring you the best of all worlds as you fly above it. Somewhere you can relax and unwind in elegant, tranquil surroundings. A personal, comfortable space, adaptable for any mood. Indulge in signature dishes developed by our distinguished chefs. Enjoy bespoke, premium products with your complimentary amenity kit. Discover somewhere far removed and escape from the expected. A place where time stands still. Your sanctuary in the sky. Introducing Qsuites, first in business. Every detail has been considered. Every comfort has been assured. And every effort has been made to create a new standard of flying. Qatar Airways, going places together.